Step by step to create a Wise account. First, open the official Wise website or download the app from the Play Store or App Store. On the home screen of the platform, click on the button Register or Sign Up. Enter your main email address to start the registration of your profile. Choose the type of account you want to open by selecting the Personal Account option. Select the United States as your country of residence from the list on the screen. Enter your US phone number, including the correct area code for your state. Wait for the 6-digit security verification code to be sent to your device via SMS type the code received in the indicated field to verify your phone number. Create a strong access password using uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Click on the Continue button to move to the personal information stage. Enter your full legal name exactly as it appears on your identity document. Enter your date of birth and your complete U.S. home address residence. Fill in your Social Security number, SSN, or ITIN if you are registering in the United States. The app will require identity verification through a security photo process. Remove any face accessories and take a clear photo of your facial biometrics. Take a clear photo of the front and back of your U.S. driver's license or valid passport. Wait for the documents to be validated by the platform security system. A message confirming that your account has been successfully created will be shown on the screen.